The Agile Fundamentals course is really designed for people to come together who are experiencing Agile for the first time, and to be able to come together in a safe environment to experiment on different concepts around Agile and what it means, and covering not just the capital A Agile framework type stuff and discussing that, but more about the lowercase Agile, how people work together, how they collaborate, how they communicate, and essentially have fun and work in a more humanistic way. The course covers a variety of different topics, but it really is a fundamentals course. So what we're looking at with this particular course is taking the idea of a project and then taking it all the way through to delivery, but all the steps in between. So working together collaboratively, thinking about how we initiate the project, what are the concepts behind it, how do we build these thoughts and ideas, how do we collaborate, how do we communicate, how do we visualize the work, and how do we visualize the flow, and more importantly, to be able to come together, to be able to figure out what actually works, and then start refining that work as we go along and discover and uncover more information as we work through it. The intended audience is varied. It could be first timers, and mostly they are. It could be developers, it could be project managers, it could be business analysts, people that are new to Agile, also some people that had experience. So the people that have run, that have been on courses I've run, they have tended to come from various backgrounds. I've even run courses in the Agile Fundamentals for purely business people. So it doesn't matter where you are or where you sit in the business or IT part of it. Is really for everyone that is experiencing Agile for the first time. What participants can expect to get out of the course is an understanding of Agile projects and how Agile projects are formed and run. And they can also understand some of the roles and responsibilities on a project team under an Agile umbrella. They can also understand some of the tools that we look at and some of the methods. And particularly the most important part, I think, is to be able to understand some of the disciplines that need to be in place to be able to have a successfully run Agile project. How they can apply the learnings back in the workplace is in many ways. Because we do a lot of experiments via exercise and we start building a project, participants can see how teams are formed, they can see how the different practices are put together, and then they can see that they can take those exercises and then immediately apply it in their workplaces because the practices are applicable to what they can do. Also, because of some of the content that we cover, the theory around visualizing work, collaboration, and so forth, those principles and values that we talk about in Agile right at the beginning, those things can be immediately applicable to whatever business or IT space that they come from.